Naghahanap ka ba ng masarap, budget-friendly and affordable na restaurant dito sa City of Pines, Baguio City? Paano naman guys kung sasabihin ko sa inyo na aside sa masarap, budget-friendly and affordable na mga pagkain na to, is meron ding pangmalakasan and picture perfect na view katulad nito. O di ba mapapawaw ka sa ganda? Alam nyo ba na excited akong i-share itong vlog na to sa inyo kasi isa to sa mga hidden gem of Baguio City. And very few pa lang yung nakakaalam. So kung gusto mong malaman kung saan tong pangmalakasan and picture perfect na restaurant na to, masarap na food, very relaxing and cozy ambience, this vlog is perfect for you. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako and i-share ko na sa inyo. Welcome to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels. Like, share, and subscribe. I know right, kanina pa kayo excited malaman kung saan ba tong restaurant na to. So tara guys, let's go straight to the point. So ito yung restaurant na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. This is one of the hidden gems of Baguio City. Ang name itong restaurant na to ay The Other Office or Villa Cordillera. So ito yung complete address nila. I know guys, you have questions on your mind. Saan ba malapit or saan yung pinakamalapit na landmark nitong The Other Office na restaurant na to? I think ang pinakamalapit na landmark nito ay itong Mines View Park na ito. Since dito rin kami nanggaling, kaya namin na-discover itong hidden gem na restaurant na ito. So kung i-google map natin siya from Mines View Park, so 6 minutes siya by car, 5 minutes by motorcycle, and kung maglalakad ka naman, it's 25 minutes walk. So, ito na nga guys, going back sa na-mention ko kanina, dahil sa Mines View Park, kaya namin na-discover ang The Other Office. So guys, early morning, around 6 a.m. is nagpunta na kami dito sa Mines View Park. And then, after namin mamasyal dito sa Mines View, ay nag-walking kami pababa. Siyempre, para ma-enjoy yung nature and especially ma-enjoy ang Baguio City. So, while we are walking pababa na is naghahanap talaga kami ng restaurant na makakainan. Pero, ang criteria namin sa pagpili ng restaurant na kakainan namin ngayong umaga ay yung restaurant na aside sa budget-friendly, masarap, also gusto rin namin yung cozy and picturesque and maganda yung ambiance. So, namimili talaga kami ng restaurant kung saan kami magbe-breakfast dito kasi this is our first breakfast dito sa Baguio City after 8 years. Gusto talaga namin yung Baguio feels na restaurant, overlooking sa mga pine trees, relaxing view, lush green surroundings, and most especially, masarap na food and budget-friendly na pagkain. So, ito na nga guys, from Mines View Park is naglalakad na kami para i-enjoy yung beautiful view and beautiful weather ng Baguio. And at the same time, naghahanap na rin kami ng breakfast restaurant na makakainan namin. And now, finally, we found the perfect restaurant kung saan tayo magbe-breakfast. So, this is The Other Office na located dito sa may Outlook Drive. By the way guys, itong harapan nila, this is their parking space for the guests. So by this time is wala pang masyadong guests kasi maaga tayo nakarating dito, which is perfect para makakuha tayo ng magandang spot. So this is the reception area. And meron rin silang mini sala dito sa may side. Yan o guys, so very cozy and very Baguio feels talaga yung ambience dito. And ito namang area na to guys, ito yung kanilang indoor dining area. Yan. So makakapili talaga tayo ng magandang spot kung saan tayo uupo and kakain ng breakfast. Yan. So part pa rin to ng indoor dining area nila. So pwede ka mag-coffee dyan sa area na yan. And ito yung napili naming spot. Dito kami kakain sa may alfresco dining area dito sa may balcony area. Wow, look at this view guys. Very picture perfect and refreshing tong area na to, 'di ba? Calming, relaxing and very cozy itong ambience dito sa may alfresco balcony area nila dito. So, ito yung perfect spot kung saan tayo kakain ng breakfast. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina guys na perfect na Baguio feels experience dito sa Baguio City while eating your breakfast. So ngayon nga is namimili na kami ng o-orderin dito sa kanilang menu and nag-serve na rin sila ng water for us. Yan. By the way guys, ito palang perfect and picture perfect na view na nakikita natin ngayon is part siya ng Baguio Country Club. You heard me right. This is a part of Baguio Country Club. Kasi itong restaurant na to is owned and managed by Baguio Country Club. So alam naman natin guys na ang Baguio Country Club ay by membership. So itong other office na ito is established para sa mga members ng Baguio Country Club and at the same time para sa mga non-members na katulad natin. So even if hindi tayo member ng Baguio Country Club, still we can enjoy and savor the Baguio feels ng Baguio Country Club through this restaurant called the other office. Dahil ito ay operated and owned by Baguio Country Club. O diba guys, ang dami mong learnings for today's video. Tingnan niyo yung kanilang waitress, ang ganda ng uniform niya. O very professional talaga. So yan guys, pili na tayo ng breakfast natin dito. So meron silang 3 breakfast choices. Meron silang American breakfast, may Filipino breakfast, and meron silang continental kind of breakfast. Yung breakfast nila is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And na-amaze ako dito sa price nila. Tingnan nyo guys, so yung breakfast meal nila is 160 pesos lang. Complete set of meal na yan for breakfast ha. Like itong American breakfast, can choose either bacon, ham, chicken, or sausage. And pwede ka rin mamili ng hash brown or bread. Serve with egg of your choice and merong coffee or juice. Best dito guys, yung coffee nila is refillable. So ito guys, yung actual na itsura ng American breakfast. So ito yung in-order rin namin to guys. So egg, bacon, and hash brown. So ito yung next, umorder rin kami ng Filipino breakfast na 160 pesos lang din. So isang set na yan. So sa akin is daing na bangus and sa husband ko naman is tocino. Serve with egg and coffee na refillable din. So ganito naman ang itsura niya, yung actual talaga na dumating. So ito yung aking boneless bangus na in-order. May kasama siyang atsara and scrambled egg. And nag-order rin ako ng juice. And ito naman yung sa husband ko. Yung sa kanya naman is tocino with scrambled egg, atsara, and fried rice din, di ba? Looks very yummy. Ito naman guys, yung continental breakfast nila. Kung mahilig ka sa mga breads, ito perfect yan for you. So, di ba, ang mura, 120 pesos lang may kasama ng orange juice, tea, or coffee na refillable. Meron rin pala sila guys na mga hot cakes dito and other a la carte meals, and meron silang breakfast buffet every weekends na 349 lang. Unfortunately, Monday kami pumunta dito kaya wala sila ng breakfast buffet, but next time na pupunta kami ulit dito, isusure namin na weekends para ma-avail namin yung kanilang weekend buffet na 349 lang. So I think andito na yung order natin. Yan, sinerve na yung coffee and yung juice. Yan. In fairness guys yung kanilang brewed coffee dito is masarap siya, especially with brown sugar and creamer. And take note guys yung kanilang coffee is refillable. Mag-ask lang kayo for a refill. Perfect talaga tong kape na to para sa malamig na panahon ng Baguio. So yan, lagay na natin yung creamer dito and i-mix-mix na natin. Then, lagyan na rin natin siya ng brown sugar. Yan. Tapos, i-mix na natin yung coffee. Take note guys inumin nyo na agad yung coffee nyo kasi ang bilis lumamig dito ng coffee, especially na ang lamig ng panahon. So, temperature check, it's 15 degrees as of the moment. Diba ang lamig? So yan, ang sarap ng mainit na coffee sa malamig na temperature ng Baguio City. Talagang mapapa-Baguio feels ka dito. So, ito na nga guys, after 10 minutes, isinerve na yung aming breakfast. So, yan, pine-prepare na ni hubby and sineserve na ng waitress. So, umorder kami ng American breakfast na bacon, egg, and hash brown. And nag-order rin ako ng daing na bangus. And kay husband naman is yung favorite niya na tocino with fried rice and egg or tosilog. So, yan guys. Ito yung order namin for today's video. Tara guys, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Oo nga pala guys, nasarapan kami sa hash brown na sinerve nila dito sa continental breakfast. So since masarap siya is nag-order pa ulit kami ng another side order nitong hash brown na to. So ito siya guys. So ang sarap nito, must try ito kapag ka nagpunta kayo dito. Try nyo yung hash brown nila. Very moist, creamy, and super yummy. So, after pala namin kumain ng breakfast is nag-ordering kami ng chocolate truffle cake. Tingnan nyo naman guys. So, it looks good and very enticing sa eyes. Ang gandang ng presentation nila. Syempre, perfect yan sa coffee. Perfect tong dessert na to sa malamig na panahon ng Baguio. And at the same time, perfect combination to sa mainit na coffee. Tara guys, let's eat. Itadakimasu. So yan guys is nagpa-refill ulit ako ng coffee and timplahin ulit natin siya. So this is my second refill of coffee. So lagyan ulit natin siya ng sugar and ng creamer. So itong coffee na to talagang perfect rin to na combination para dito sa chocolate truffle cake. Looks so yummy. Habang ini-edit ko to guys is natatakam pa rin ako dito sa combination ng cake na to at ng hot coffee. Para tuloy ang sarap bumalik ulit ng Baguio City. So ito na nga guys, this is it. Tapos na tayo kumain and mag-bill reveal na tayo ngayon. Magkano kaya yung binayaran natin dito sa The Other Office? Budget friendly ba and affordable? Tara, let's check. Mag-bill reveal na tayo. So, ang in-order natin ngayon ay 2 Filipino breakfast, isang American breakfast, isang side order ng hash brown, and isang cake. Ang total na binayaran natin ay eksaktong 700 pesos. O, di ba guys, budget friendly and affordable? O guys, walang mangbabash ha. Sinabi ko na affordable and budget friendly, good for 2 persons kasi considering itong ganda ng view and ambience ng restaurant na ito is parang kumain ka sa hotel and masarap yung food nila. So, for me, world class yung service nila, masarap yung food and perfect yung ambience and yung location. So, value for money is 2 thumbs up siya para sa akin. Yung standard cook for good food, good ambience, and budget-friendly meal is nakuha ko lahat dito sa restaurant na to na The Other Office. So, kung tatanungin mo ko kung babalik pa ako dito, the next time na visit ako ng Baguio, the answer is yes. Tatry ko yung kanilang breakfast buffet. Anyways guys, before tayo umalis is, bili muna tayo dito ng kanilang famous and iconic na Baguio Country Club na raisin bread. Itong bread na to is favorite ko talaga to ever since. So, before sa SM pa kami bumibili nito, SM Baguio. So ngayon na na-find out ko na meron rin pala sila ditong tinda na raisin bread ng Baguio Country Club is bibili na rin tayo. So yan, pinapack na yung orders natin.
So kailan yan bili?
It looks so good and yummy, very fresh. So tinanong ko kung kailan ginawa tong bread. So ang sabi niya, freshly baked this morning. Yan. So 3 yung in-order ko. Yung isa is kakainin namin and then yung dalawa is papasalubong namin sa Manila. So yan guys, another travel tip para sa inyo. Kung mapupunta kayo dito sa area na to, sa Mines View or kakain kayo dito, masarap na mag-drop by and bumili ng iconic na raisin bread ng Baguio Country Club. Ito nga pala guys, yung binili kong mga raisin bread. Yan. So favorite talaga namin to ever since. Buti lang nakabili ako dito, 'di ba? Ito guys, yung price list para sa mga interested na gustong bumili dito. So, yung raisin bread nila is 360, same as yung banana bread. And then yung cheese bread and carrot bread ay 370 naman. Travel tips pala guys, kung kakain kayo dito, make sure to bring your vaccine card kasi chinecheck nila yan dito. So, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Watch my other vlogs na related dito sa Baguio, katulad itong Joy Bus Complete Guide. Marami kayong matutunan dito sa vlog ko na to. Know more about travel tips papunta ng Baguio. Panoorin nyo rin tong isang vlog ko na budget-friendly hotel in Baguio. Marami rin kayong matututunan and malalearn dito sa vlog na to. About budget-friendly hotel in Baguio. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel and informative vlogs. Thanks for watching.